Welcome to Google Sheets extension for Zoho CRM. Google Sheets extension is a Zoho CRM extension that helps you to export the records from Zoho CRM into Google Sheets and import the data from Google Sheets into Zoho CRM. Let us install the extension from the Zoho Marketplace first. Search for Google Sheets in the search bar as shown in the video. Here, click on Start Free Trial or Buy Now button to install. Check the terms and conditions and click on Continue. Choose Users and click on Confirm button. Here, we need to authorize the extension and Google Sheets, so click on the Authorize button as shown in the video and proceed further. Now the extension is installed successfully, you can now go to Zoho CRM tab and find the Google Sheets Jigs extension. Let us see how we can auto-export using Google Sheets Jigs extension. Click on the plus button as shown in the video. Choose the Zoho CRM module from where you want to export the records. In this demo, we will see how we can export the leads to Google Sheets. Choose the Google Sheets into which you want to export the records. Google Sheets extension works for all standard modules like Contact, Deals, Accounts, Tasks, etc., similar to Leads module. As you can see, it brought all the tabs from selected Google Sheets. Choose the tab into which you want to export the records. Here, we can see that the selected tab doesn't contain any row data apart from header. Now, let's do the field mapping by clicking on the gear icon as shown in the video. In the field mapping, you can see that it recommends doing the automatic mapping. You can choose between yes or no based on your need. So as you can see, it has mapped Zoho CRM module fields with Google Sheets tab headers. And you can also do the mapping manually by clicking on the plus new button. Once the mapping is done, click on the Done button to save the mapping. You can also keep some notes for your service in the service configuration as shown in the video. Now, let's enable the Auto Export toggle button, and you can choose when do you want to run Auto Export, such as on Create or Edit of Zoho CRM record. Finally, save your service. Once the service is saved, let's go to Leads module and create new lead. After providing the values, for new lead, click on Save button to create the new lead. As you can see in the Google Sheets now, it has exported the lead successfully. Let's export one more lead using Auto Export. As you can see, the auto export happens flawlessly. Now let's see how the manual import works using the same sheet. Import will basically update the Zoho CRM using values from Google Sheet. In order to update, it requires Zoho CRM ID. If the ID is not already present in the Google Sheets, it will create new record in Zoho CRM. Let's copy some sample data from different sheet and copy into lead sheet. We will make some changes in the row which already has ID. Now let's go to the Google Sheets extension and import the new leads from Google Sheets. Choose Import from Sheet option from the sidebar as shown in the video. Now, choose the Leads module and click on the Import button to import the leads from Google Sheets tab. You can see that the first 2 rows getting updated and remaining rows are getting inserted into Zoho CRM. Now the import is successful. You can see the import logs by clicking on the Import Log button as shown in the video. Click on the Details button for more details. Now, let's go to Leads module and see the newly imported records. The selected records are the one which got imported recently. Let's see how the manual export works now. Go to Google Sheets Configuration and select Settings from the sidebar. We already have service here, so we can make use of the existing service and make some changes here. We'll just change the tab from the listing as shown in the video. Manual export will export all the records from Zoho CRM into Google Sheets. Let's add few missing columns in the selected Google Sheet and proceed with the fields mapping. Once the mapping is done, save your service by clicking on the Save button. Now we are ready to manually export the records into selected Google Sheet. Choose Export to Sheet option from the sidebar and choose the module. Here, you can see that chosen Google Sheet doesn't contain any row data apart from header. Let's populate some data by doing manual export now. Click on the Export button. As you can see, it has exported the records successfully. Let's go to the Google Sheets to check newly exported records. You can see that all the leads are now populated into Google Sheets. So this is how the Google Sheets extension helps you to import and export into Google Sheets. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Please feel free to share any feedback with us regarding the extension. Thanks for watching.